In this video, we would like to present an item from our personal collection that we have currently placed on auction at eBay. Our item for auction is a vintage die-cast toy Model T Ford truck, which was made in Japan by the Tomica Tomy company in the year 1977. This multicolored die-cast toy truck has the following written on both sides of the truck: Happy Home Breads Mills Baking Company. If you would like to place a bid for this 1977 Tomy Tomica Model T Ford toy truck, be sure to visit the eBay link listed below in the video description.